Good morning, everybody. Sunny Ullapool. Welcome to day 10 of the Cape Wrath Trail. Just watching this cruise ship come in as I was having my cup of coffee and breaking down the tent. Still got a little bit more to do before we head into town to get us some food, and then we're gonna grab the taxi back to Inverleith where we got picked up yesterday at lunchtime. So we're gonna head back there and basically start from where we stopped and head over the fell down into the schoolhouse bothy. Looking about 17 miles, I think. I'm feeling good this morning. Good day rest yesterday, so it's all good. Sun's out, just got to get sunscreen on. So hope you guys enjoy the video and stay tuned for us on this journey on the Cape Wrath Trail. All right, we're starting our journey for the day. Just did the road walk from Coffin Road. Now we're heading up to the fells here, over into this tree forest, and then up over that, and up over the top of a little hill. A little bit of climbing to do this morning, and then it kind of levels out and drops down into the schoolhouse bothy. So it's going to be about probably 7 hours of walking, 17 miles, maybe 8 hours. The sun is out and it's warm. You made it!
Thank you.
That's the track we're heading up. Just give you a 360 what we're looking at. And Malcolm coming up behind. And the range in the distance. Nice cool breeze blowing through right now. You can probably hear, making this climb just a little bit more easy because the sun is out. Almost fell. Walking on one of those no path sections, contouring this hill next to us. Just kind of making your way, really. Not too bad, it's a little slushy. Feet are wet, but that's the Cape Wrath for you. Keep trotting along. Hello everyone, just walking through Glendissery now. There's a few ruins back there. There's a film crew doing some work, got a drone flying and stuff. It's in the middle of nowhere, and you come across a couple 4x4s with drone footage. Guy's like, can I get the drone up in the air? I was like, can I say no? I mean, it's like, yeah, of course. So just walking now. It's been a really nice day, to be honest. Just to catch you up, we were going to have a day off in Ullapool, but just decided, because we got into Ullapool yesterday about lunchtime, the weather was just so nice today. And I was like, I don't want to sit here in the tent in this such nice weather. I want to take advantage of it and get out and just keep moving. So yeah, we decided as a group, because there's 4 of us, we're kind of broke up a bit right now, but we'll catch back up with each other. So we're kind of just walking a little bit separate now. So it's coming up to a river crossing here soon that I need to cross. So I'll be doing that now. So yeah, nice section here in the Glendissery. Very cool. All right, got a little bit of a river crossing here to do. Might be a little bit easier upstream, maybe. Maybe here, there's a lot of rocks here. Gotta cross it and get to the other side. Fun times. Let's do it. Got the gorge cutting through the river here. Some waterfalls up ahead. Beautiful. We're just following the path next to it. Another big waterfall here. That one right there drops off pretty deep. It looks like it. See if we can get a good angle, come around the side and have a view of that. We'll climb up here and see if we can get a better view. Well, that's the other side of the waterfall. That's a good drop, that is. Beautiful. Just in the gorge. Just following the gorge we are. All the way down there. We've left that waterfall, left that main big river now. We're just tracking through this. Been a little bit of bushwhacking. Now we're on this little side track here. We need to cross this beck or burn that's in front of us here, and then up the other side, which looks interesting. The whole day has been interesting, really. It's been a doozy of a trail, of a path. I need to check the map now because I need to see where I need to cross, because we need to go up there somewhere. Let's have a look. Malcolm, what are we doing in this little shed?
We're having a brew. We're having a brew.
We're having a brew.
And we've got a view.
And we got a view. Cheers.
Cheers, cheers, cheers.
It was a good shout having the brew. 100%. Just across the path on the main path now, next to the lock, and we're putting our foot down. We got 6.5 miles. We made less than that now till we get to Schoolhouse Bothy, where we're gonna stop. It's 5 o'clock now, so we're putting our foot down. See if we can get there. Hopefully, maybe by 7. Hopefully, there'll be space for us. If not, we'll be camping outside. But just gonna talk about today. It's been quite a good day. Taxiing on the feet. It was quite boggy. My feet have been wet most of the day. But yeah, some of the waterfalls and following that burn or river was quite amazing. And glad I went that way instead of walking this path all the way from Ullapool. I mean, granted the weather was good for us, but it was still pretty boggy. We had a lot of rain overnight when we were in Ullapool. So it was worth doing that section. Yes, it was long, 17 miles to the Schoolhouse Bothy from Ullapool, but it was really nice to see the waterfalls and stuff. It's definitely a part, and the valley we walked through was pretty epic. So yeah, so we're gonna get to the Bothy soon in the next probably couple hours. Like I said, we're putting a foot down and see if we can get a good average per mile, maybe 3 miles an hour. I don't know, just had a Kit Kat. So anyway, let's talk. Let's get more walking in. See you guys later on. I got a river to cross now. Not too bad though, I don't think. It's flowing a little bit, but should be okay. I might get our feet wet. I've already got my feet wet, so it really doesn't matter. So just ford this real quick and get to the other side. All right, coming into the Schoolhouse Bothy. Got some raging water down there. And that's it there. Hopefully there's room for us. Coming in late, 6:43. Let's see if there's room. Well, Schoolhouse Bothy was fully booked we could have shoved ourselves in there, but we didn't feel like doing it. So we're pushing on to Oikel Bridge. It's about 3 miles roughly. It's 7 o'clock now. Probably be there for maybe 8:15, somewhere around there. Maybe less, we'll see. So it is what it is. It's a long day, 20 miles. Hi everyone, we're heading to the pub. Got Leonard. Been walking with Leonard since day one.
Yeah.
What a team. So this is the group. We're walking to Oikel Bridge to get some brew.
Got some beer.
Don't know if it's gonna rain, but that's the plan. So we pitched up. We're pitched up by the river, aren't we? By the bridge.
Right by the bridge.
Pitched up right by the bridge. Really good spot Leonard had put ready for us. Beautiful spot. I can see the Oikel Bridge now. So we're gonna get us some brew, and I'll talk to you guys back in the tent. Cheers.
All right, guys, welcome to map time. We're going to start basically where we got picked up at Ullapool. So to go to Ullapool. So we came back via taxi to the place where we got picked up, which was here actually. So we got dropped off here again by the taxi. We walked the road. Yes, we did walk the road. Basically going up this into the woods here wasn't too bad. A little bit steep here and there, but not too bad. Once you got out here on the open moorland, it was kind of steep. Definitely steep up to here, but doable. And then easy kind of started to follow here, but then the path kind of disappeared. And we just kind of bushwhacked our way through here. And then once you drop down here, this is where the path gets really challenging underfoot. It was boggy, some beautiful waterfalls though, and really nice things to see in this area here. Very cool. And then up here is where we stopped to get some food. Sorry, we didn't get food. Sorry, we had a coffee here in a little hut. And then up to the road, and then we really put the miles in here. Stopped at the bothy for a few seconds, but kept on going. And then putting the miles in here, trying to get to our destination. Made it to the schoolhouse. Bothy wasn't welcoming. Too many people there, so we stopped. Sorry, we kept on going, excuse me. Pushed it again all the way to Oikel Bridge, which is here, where we pitched up in the field just outside of town. In the evening, we were able to get ourselves some drinks, and also in the morning we got breakfast, which they serve from 8 o'clock, I think. So, and the bar there is also open till 10 o'clock in the evening. So that's something to remember.